Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Temperatures still on the warmer side of things this afternoon, but tomorrow is even hotter than what we've seen today and really the past few days. But today, the difference is the fact that humidity is still a little bit lower than it would typically be this time of year. It's 87 degrees currently in Huntsville, 88 in Decatur, 90 in Florence and Scottsboro. We're at 86 degrees. Still not worried about rain this evening. Nice and dry all across North Alabama on the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. We get that view from 3 individual radars. Now, as we go through the rest of this evening, you're just hearing about the Trash Pandas back at home again tonight. That homestand continues against the Biloxi Shuckers. First pitch at 6:35. 87 degrees. Call it still warm. 77 though by the 7th inning, and you don't have to worry about dragging out the umbrellas for this evening because it stays dry through the duration of the game and it stays mostly clear. Tonight we are down to 66 degrees. That's as cool as it gets by early Friday morning. So it's one last kind of cool morning, and then we just start heating up again tomorrow afternoon. Look at the forecast temperatures here. We'll start you early tomorrow. This is right around sunrise, if not just before sunrise, stopping this at 4:30, then all the way through the afternoon, climbing into the 70s, 80s, and lower 90s. That's where I expect our temperatures to end up tomorrow afternoon for highs. 91 in Florence, 90 degrees in Huntsville. By 4 o'clock, though, I do expect us to get closer to 92, 93 degrees, so that is a few degrees warmer than today. It's quiet tomorrow, though. It's dry tomorrow. The weekend, I can't promise you the same. Saturday, we'll start to see the cloud cover really increasing, and then the rain comes in later in the day, Saturday through Saturday night into Sunday, all thanks to potential tropical cyclone 3. It is not yet a tropical depression. We do expect that to get that classification late tonight or early tomorrow morning, and then eventually strengthen to a tropical storm. If it becomes a tropical storm, it will receive the name C. So that is a Claudette. That is going to be the next named storm here on the list from the National Hurricane Center for the Atlantic, at least. Last check here, it's tracking north at 9 miles per hour, max sustained wind at 30 miles per hour. But I can tell you that the hurricane hunters are out in this storm right now doing some recon. So we'll hopefully have that information for you coming up later this evening as far as what they find. Now let's go through this forecast, because as we go through the next 48 hours, this system is going to be approaching the Gulf Coast. We've already got tropical storm warnings posted for coastal Louisiana all the way through Alabama. It's going to be just getting ready to move inland here around midnight, if not just after tomorrow night into early Saturday morning. It takes this bend here off to the northeast. It's in South Mississippi by 1:30 Saturday afternoon, and in North Alabama, you'll see we're just kind of on the northern fringe here of this rain shield, but the heaviest rain is still falling in South Mississippi and South Alabama. That's heading our way, though, late Saturday night into early Sunday morning. That center of low pressure, at least with that cone forecast from the National Hurricane Center, has that directly over North Alabama. And then as we go through Sunday morning all the way through Sunday afternoon, remember this is Father's Day, so we're looking at quite a bit of rain here impacting any outdoor plans that you might have. The wind to go along with that, I'll show you in just a second. But that center of low pressure tracking off toward the east, and we're just left with some showers for the rest of the day on Sunday and as we go into Sunday night. As far as forecast winds go, this is noon on Saturday. Notice that the wind speeds here range anywhere from 10 miles per hour closer to 20 miles per hour. These are forecast wind gusts. The strongest wind is going to stay just to our south and off to the southeast, at least with this particular data source. This is Saturday night into Sunday at midnight. And as we go through Sunday afternoon, we may see winds gusting closer to 30 miles per hour out into Cobb County. But if you're farther to the northwest, not much wind at all to speak of out of this system. Same thing goes with rain totals. Your rainfall totals are going to be lower in the northwest and higher in the southeast counties. We're talking Marshall and DeKalb counties, anywhere from 1 to 2 inches possible with this system. 7-day forecast shows us this. We are still in the 80s on Saturday, but with that rain coverage increasing on Father's Day, it's a high of 84 degrees, and then a 50-50 shot at rain and storms on Monday. A cold front comes through, knocks our highs back down to near 80 for Tuesday and Wednesday.